um, draw the image of the shape A after a translation by the vector 8 and negative 8 اللي هو shape A ده عايز احركه 8 and negative 8. ايه المقصود يا احمد 8 and negative 8؟ What does it mean 8 and negative 8؟
نمشي 8 شمال و8 تحت، توجيهات يعني بالأصح.
Yes. So 8 units up or right? Right. Then 8 units down. لو انا عملت كده ادي لو بدأت البوينت دي 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 هتكون البوينت دي 5 6 and also 4 6 and 4 3. So this is the answer. And this is A dash or A prime. Okay, complete Ahmed. P.
P. Draw the image of shape A after reflection in the line x equal -1.
So I need first to draw the line of reflection, which x equals -1. طيب, this one is a vertical line or horizontal line?
This will be vertical.
A vertical line passing through -1, like this. Then we need to draw the image. So as you see here from this vertex to the line, how many units? 1 2 3. Then I will go to the other side, 3 1 2 3. Then you do the same with all the points. It will be like this here, and 2 2, and also 1 2. I wish you understand. Like this. So we have a question on translation, a question on reflection, and also maybe you have a question on describe the single transformation. Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape B into A. True? B into A, what do you think?
Oh, enlargement scale factor of 3 with center -5 5.
If I join, as Shuruk said, if I join each image with each vertex with its image, like this. shape B into shape A, yes? Is it correct what I did, يا شروق?
Yes. حضرتك كنت بتقول إيه؟
Is it correct what I draw this line? I said I need to join each vertex with its image.
أيوة correct.
What is the image of this point? This one. Yes?
Yes.
And also the image of this point is this one. So all of them connected at negative 5, comma 5, which is this one. Negative 5, comma 5 is the center. So I will write here, it is enlargement okay, complete, huh? Enlargement what? Huh? Scale factor, what is scale factor? What is the scale factor? Enlargement, scale factor half, scale factor half. Because here, if you see here, I have 1, 2, 3. And here, you have only 1. So 1, 2, 3, here 1, here 3, here 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, here 1, 2, 3. So is it half or third? Half or third يا شباب. I wrote here half. Is it correct? Third. Scale factor third. Okay? You also شروق question D.
Describe fully the single transformation that maps shape A into shape C. Rotation 90 clockwise, 90
from
angle clockwise.
A to
with
C.
center.
From A to C. The best way to solve this one is to use a tracing paper. A tracing paper. So it is rotation. Rotation. Okay, rotation, what is the degree of the rotation? 90 degrees. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. So rotation 90 degrees clockwise. What is the center of rotation? One comma
Center 0, 2.
0, 2 or 1 comma 1?
أنا لما عملتها جات لي 0, 2.
0 2. حد تاني كده معاه البيبر معاه اللي هو التريسنج بيبر. جربي كده تاني من عند 1 1 يا شروق. حتى انا عامل برنت بيبر.
اوكي ظبطت اكتر.
ايوه
اوكي برضه
مظبوطه.
ايوه
تمام. question 2 مريم. شكرا يا زينة. شكرا يا شروق. مريم.
Hannah invests 3,000 at a rate of 2% per year compound interest. Calculate the value of this investment at the end of 5 years.
Okay, so
we're going to use the compound interest formula.
Yes. Quickly, huh?
It's going to be 1 second. I can't find my calculator.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yalla, complete. Question.
Calculate the overall percentage increase in the value of Hannah's investment at the end of 5 years.
Okay, the overall, calculate the overall percentage increase of the investment at the end of 5 years. So in the beginning, it was 3,000. Then now, it was 3,000. Yes.
Yes.
After 5 years, the amount is 3312.24. What is the amount increase? The percent increase. You know the formula?
Is it's increased, right? So like
Change over original times 100%. So you have to subtract those two numbers. Okay, so 3,000, we'll subtract this amount, it will be 312.24 over the original. What is the original?
3,000.
3,000 times 100%. Okay, what is the answer? $10.41%.
Yes.
Okay, triple I complete. يا شباب, please memorize this formula. Memorize this formula about the percentage increase or decrease. We'll use the same formula. Change over the original times 100%. Okay, triple I.
Calculate the minimum number of complete years it takes for the value of Hannah's investment to increase from 3,000 to more than 4,000.
Okay, so I need the amount, okay, to reach investment increase from 3,000 to more than 4,000. So what do you think?
Can we use the change over original one again?
No. It has now, what is the amount she has? 3,000.
3,000.
The question is, after how many years the amount will be 4,000? More than 4,000. After how many years?
She invests at a rate of 2%, so we're going to use the 2% to find out how many years it would take.
You see here, after 5 years, she has 3,300. After how many years it will reach this amount? We'll use the same formula, but I will write here the amount, here 3,000, yes, 1 plus
Yes.
2 over 100 to the power of n.
Because we don't know how many years.
Exactly. So, but I need the amount to be more than 4,000. So I assume that the amount here is 4,000. Okay?
Okay.
Then what is the next step? Divide by
Divide by
3.
3,000.
One plus 2 over 100 is 1.02. Here you have two ways, yeah, Mariam. Either you use the log way or you try with the calculator a number of n, try for example 8, 9, 10 until you reach a number greater than 4 over 3. What do you think? N equals what? Let's try n equals 10 for example. Here 4 over 3, 4
3
over
is
1
1.4.
minute. 4 over 3 is 1.3333. Okay? So try n equals 10. Is it correct? N equals 10?
No.
No, because it's 1.2. Yes? So not correct. Try n equals 13.
No, n equals 14 works though. It's going to be 1.31.
So it has to be n equals 15 because n bar 15
Is 1.34.
1.34, which is correct. So it will take like 15 years. 15 years. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, Ahmed. Thank you, يا مريم.
مستر أنا طلعتها بطريقة أسهل شوية.
يا ريت. ها.
أخدت الفورمة بتاعت compound interest والنمبر اوف years قعدت أغيره لغاية لما تطلع لي الإجابة أكتر من 4000. فطلعت معايا في تاني محاولة، طلعت معايا 15 برضه.
ممكن برضو. يعني another way you can leave this amount as it is like this, as Ahmed said, and then you try to change n until you reach 4,000. So it will take some time until you reach 15. So try to be patient, or you can use the log if you like. Bravo. Thank you. Zena? Question B?
The population of a village decreases exponentially at a rate of 5% each year. The population is now 695 rounded to the nearest person. Calculate the population 15 years ago. So it's compound interest, but minus.
1 minute. In the beginning, the population now is 695, and he says find the population 15 years ago, and the rate is 5 years, 5% each year. So
Okay, so
yes,
we're gonna round the 695
so 695 equals
to
a number I don't know. Yes,
times 1 minus
1 minus
5 over 100.
to the power of
15.
because he says 15.
Yeah.
Yes. So I need to know what is x. So
Okay,
x,
so we're gonna calculate the bracket.
before calculating the bracket, just divide. يعني divide like this. 695 over 1 minus 5 over 100 power 15. Like this. Now calculate. Yalla, use the calculator.
It's 6. It equals to 1,500.13 or 0.14.
Okay, so I will keep it like this. 1500. Okay?
Okay.
Bravo.
مستر
Yes.
هو كان في سؤال أنا حليته قبل كده كان عامل الانسر multiply اللي هو البراكت ديت مش division أنا ما فهمتش السؤال قوي.
ايوه لانه هنا العكس يا شروق. Because here he says
أيوة أنا فاهمة بس يعني في السؤال كان same يعني concept بس هو عمل multiply
ايوه
مش
ما
divide.
هو لو هو قال لك مثلا the population of the village decreases exponentially at rate of 5% each year. Okay? The population is, if he removes now, the population is 695, 5 the population after 15 years. Now you multiply normally. Okay?
okay.
You got the difference?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Okay, in this question, he gives me the height and the cumulative frequency of 120 plants measured like this. Here the height, here the cumulative frequency, and he says find the median. How to find the median, ya Mahmoud? Mahmoud Shawi? Mahmoud, your mic doesn't work. Ahmed Wael,
Yes.
your mic doesn't work, ya Mahmoud. Ahmed Wael, how to find the median?
We'll see the total number divided by 2
Equals 60.
we'll find the term
That
and then
is the
we'll
position. 60 is the position. So I will go to 60, yes, and
yes.
draw a line.
$35, I think.
And I will go
This
down. It is around, or it is 25. So 25 centimeter, that is the median. Okay, complete. Try to fix your mic, Mahmoud. The interquartile range, how to find it?
we need to find the upper and lower quartile.
Okay, so let's find the position of upper quartile. How to find it?
120 multiplied by 3 divided by 4.
120 times
3.
75% equals what? 90. Yes?
Yes.
And the lower?
It will 120 divided by 4.
Or 120 times 25%
25.
equals 45? Uh, 30 equals 30. 30. So I will draw a line at 90 and at 30. here at 90, I wish you draw with me. Here, I will count from 80 to 100 is 10 lines. So I need to count 5 to be at 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. And at 30, the same. Like this. So I will go down. So here, the upper quartile, which is, I think, 30, 32, and the lower quartile,
22.
yes, 22. So here, a lower quartile and upper quartile. Here, Q1 lower quartile, Q3 upper quartile, and here Q, which is the median. So it will be 33 minus 22.
10.
32 minus 22 equals 10. So the answer is 10. Now, triple I, the 17th percentile, how to find it, Ahmed?
Seventy divided by 120 multiplied 100.
Yes, so the position is 120 times 70 over 100. I think 120 times 70 divided by 100, which is 84.
84.
84. So the position is 84. But if he says 50 percentile times 50 over 100, the total, 30 percentile, whatever the percentile, you need to find the position by multiplying by the percent. Yes? So I will go to 84. So here 82, 84 is here. So I will draw a line. Then I go down. Here, I think it's 30.5. 30.5. If you write it 31, it will be correct also. 30.5. Okay, Ahmed, complete? Huh? The number of plants with height greater than 30. Greater than 30. So I will come from 30 here. Then I will draw a line from 30. Okay. Here I will go up to 30 like this. Then I will cut the line.
82.
Yes.
Then we'll minus it from the total.
Yes, it is 82. Then I will subtract. He says greater than. So you need only this part. You need only this part. So I will subtract 120 minus 82. 120 minus 82. So the answer
38.
is 38. That is the answer. The answer is 38. Bravo. Bravo, Ahmed Wael. You did a fantastic job. Thank you so much. Question B, Mariam. Quickly, يا شباب, quickly. Question B.
Me?
Yes.
The cumulative frequency diagram shown above can be displayed in a table. Complete the table above.
Yes. From 0 to 10. The frequency is so from here we will find it from here. From here. From 0 to 10, 10, what do you think? From 0 to 10?
I think it's like 2. I don't know. Is that 2?
Yes, 2. So this one from the graph, which is 2. Okay, from 30 to 50. Come here, go to 50 and see. 50 is the above one.
Yes. So 120?
Just a sec. No, 1 minute. Just a sec.
Sure, but if we did the same thing, like to like 10 to 20 or 20 to 30, it will not be the correct answer.
It is the same. Why? From 0 to 10, what is the answer?
2.
2. From 0 to 20, it's
Yeah.
20. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
So 20 minus 2 is 18, right?
Okay.
So if you want to do the same, see from 0 to 30. From 0 to
82.
30,
Yeah, it's 82.
you look at the graph, it's 82. Then now subtract 120. Why 120? Because 50 is 120. And how can I know? From the graph, see?
Mm-hmm. No, like I mean, not the 50. Like we have 20 to 30, it's 62. 30 is 82. So how we got the 62 minus 20, but on 20 it's not 20 exactly, it's 19 actually.
Okay, I will tell you. So 120 minus 82, which is 38. Yeah. Okay, see from 0 to 20. From 0 to 20 equals what? check in the graph.
Nine.
From 0 to 20.
It's 19 on my graph.
From 0 to 20 is what?
It's 19 on my graph.
From 0 to 20. 20 itself. Okay.
Okay.
Now see at 30.
مستر
Yes.
0 ل 20 22.
ها
0 ل 20 هتطلع 22 مش 20.
ازاي؟ هي على
عشان
الجراف، على الجراف قدامي بالظبط 20 20
ايوه
20.
بس اللاين انت منزله تحت على 20. هو المفروض يكون ستريت، اللاين ما هو ستريت.
يا احمد اللاين اهو يا حبيبي، بص. يا شروق.
أيوة.
We need now to find the mean.
هنعمل لكل واحدة هنعمل يعني مثلا 0 plus 10 over 2. نجيب المد، فنجيب ال 5 هنا 5 15 25 و 40. بعدين هنعمل المد multiply by the frequency over the total.
Yes, برافو عليك. So here it is the midpoint, which is x. Here the frequency f. Then I will multiply them. So here what is the midpoint? 10 plus 0 divided by 2. 5. Frequency is 2. Here what is the midpoint? شروق ها 15. Here 18. Here
25.
And the last one 40. So here 25 62 and here 38. Now if you want to find the mean, you just multiply 5 times 2 plus 15 times 18 plus 25 times 62 plus 40 times 38 over the total. والتوتال عندنا هنا معروف اللي هو كام؟ اللي هو 120. حد كده بقى يحسب لي الانسر بالكالكوليتر بسرعة. فهي هتكون المين 27.916 اللي هو 27.9. that is the mean. برافو يا شباب، برافو يا شروق. يلا يا سيف. next question.
A histogram is drawn to show the information in the frequency table. The height of the bar representing the interval 10 less than or equal to h less than or equal to 20 is 7.2 centimeters. Calculate the height of the bar representing the interval 20 less than or equal to h less than or equal to 30.
حلو جدا. يعني لو انا عرفت ان الهايت بتاع الانترفال، يعني لو انا برسم هيستوجرام، لما جيت ارسم when I draw from 10 to 20 I got it 7.2 centimeter. Nice. that is the height. So what is the height from 20 to 30? What do you think? Here, for this interval, yeah, safe. What is the frequency
18.
and what is the class width?
10.
The class width is 10 and the frequency
18.
18. طب how do you know it's 18? Here,
في التيبل.
here, it's 18. Okay? Can you find the frequency density?
Yes. 18 divided by
It is frequency
frequency divided by class width.
divided by class width, which is 18 divided by 10 equals 1.8. 1.8. Okay, how can I make 1.8 to be 7.2?
multiply by 4.
If you make a ratio, now make a ratio. Divide 7.2, divide by 1.8 equals what? 4. So the scale factor is 4. So if I multiply the frequency density of this one by 4, I will know the height, right? So I will repeat the same for this one, the same. Like this. So the frequency density equals, what is the frequency? 62. How can I know, mister? From the table up. Divided by the class width. 30 minus 20, 10. So it is 6.2. Now you know that the frequency density is 6.2. Multiplied by the scale factor. So 6.2 times 4, which is 24.8. So the height is 24.8 centimeter. Is that hard? I wish you got it.
A rectangle measures 8.5 centimeters by 10.7 centimeters. Both correct to one decimal place. Calculate the lower bound and of the perimeter of the
perimeter of the rectangle. طيب هو اصلا البريمتر عباره عن ايه؟ The sum of all the
كل
sides.
سايد sum بتاع كل سايد.
يعني مفترض يعني 8.5 plus 10.7 plus 8.5 plus 8.7 مفروض يعني، بس هو قال لي هنا the lower bound او the smallest value. So I need to get the lower bound of the two dimensions. طيب tell me ال 8.5 اللور باوند كام؟ والابر باوند كام؟ وبرضه ال 10.7
10.2 و
You correct to 1 decimal place. يعني 0.5 0.5 divided by 2 يعني
بس مش المفروض 1 divided by 2.
correct 2 1 decimal place وهنا في 1 decimal place. yes yes it will be 0.1 عشان 1 decimal place divide by 2. yes 0.1 divide by 2 0.05. يا سيف ال 1 decimal place يعني 0.05 انما لو قال لي 1 سنتيمتر 1 كيلومتر a whole number يبقى 1 divided by 2. اوكي يبقى اللور باوند كام؟ اللور باوند
8.45.
yes 8.45. the upper bound no need خلاص. اللور باوند هنا
10.65.
yes 10.65. now calculate the parameter. The parameter will be 8.45 plus 10.65 multiplied by 2. What is the answer? 38.2. That is the answer. Okay, you got it?
Okay.
Okay, question B, Zena.
ABDF is a parallelogram and BCDE is a straight line. AF equals 14 centimeter, AB equals 9 centimeter. Angle CFD equals 40 and angle FDE equals 80. Calculate the height of the parallelogram.
Yes, we need to calculate the height of this one, this height. So if I draw for you outside triangle, this one, if I draw here, okay, this angle is 80 and this is 90. This is EFD. This is the height.
Is the hypotenuse B9? Not the hypotenuse, the opposite.
This one is 9. Because
Yeah.
this one is 9, so this one is also 9.
So we're gonna use SOHCAHTOA.
Yes, so AB equals DF equals 9 centimeter. So yes, bravo, because it's a right angle triangle. So I can use either Pythagoras or SOHCAHTOA. I will use sine. So sine 80 equals what? Sine 80? The hypotenuse, the opposite.
Yeah, it's the opposite.
The opposite, which is height, yes, over the hypotenuse, which is 9. So the height equals what? Huh?
Sine 80 times 9.
Yes. 9 times sine 80 equals what? Equals 8.86. يلا complete.
Explain why triangle CDF is isosceles.
Yes.
CDF
Why
because
it's isosceles triangle? اللي هو triangle CDF. 1 minute, I will highlight it for you. CDF. This one.
because the angle DCF is equal to 40. Like the two sides are parallel.
Actually, what is the measure of this angle?
180 minus 80, which is 100.
Which is 100, right?
Mm-hmm.
So angle, I can write like this, angle. And also this angle will be 40. 180 minus 100 plus 40, right?
Yes.
So two angles in the triangle are congruent. So
Mm-hmm.
it is isosceles triangle. So let's write it. You got it?
Yes, I told you that the two angles are the same.
Ya salam, bravo. So I will write here, angle CDF is 100 degrees. So angle FCD equals 40 degrees to angles and triangle CDF are the same. Then it is isosceles triangle. 2 marks. 2 marks. Complete يا زينة?
Calculate the area of the trapezium. It's 1/2.
1 minute. A, B, C, F. A, 1 minute. A, B, C, F. Okay, this one. What do you think? Huh? It is half.
Okay. We should get the
What is the formula?
1/2 A plus B times the height.
Okay, so I know the height because
Yeah.
the height is 8.86. I calculated before, yes?
Mm-hmm.
What is the base one?
14. The second one is 14 squared minus 9 squared.
14 minus 9, which is
Which is
5. So B2 is 5, right?
Yeah.
So let's write it. Bravo ya Zena. Bravo.
Why isn't it like a Pythagoras theorem? We just subtracted.
We just subtracted because I know that this triangle is isosceles. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Mhm. Yeah.
So if I know that FD is 9,
Mm-hmm.
so also CD will be 9, isosceles.
Yeah.
So 9 minus 14, 14 يعني minus
Equals
9,
5.
this one will be
Yeah.
5. I cannot use Pythagoras theorem because I don't have any right angles here. Okay?
Mhm. Yeah. Okay. So it will be
So let's write it here. The area will be 14 plus 5 divided by 2 times here. Let me advise you here in the height I write approximation value, but if you want to get an accurate answer, write 9 times sine 80. It will be more accurate. Okay,
okay.
9 times sine 80. It will be what? It will be something
84.2.
20 and like this. So approximated, it will be 84.2 square centimeter. Bravo, Yasena, you did a fantastic job. Thank you so much, Mariam. Mahmoud, you fix your mic or no? Try to speak يا محمود كده. يلا يا مريم, question C.
A, B, C, and D are points on the circle. Centers O. Angle ABD equals 21 degrees and CD equals 14 centimeters. Calculate the area of the circle.
Okay, so to get the area of the circle, I need to find what?
The radius.
Bravo, because the area equals by r squared. So I need to calculate the radius, right? So
Yes.
I need to find OA or OC or find the diameter and divide by 2, right?
Yes.
So my target side is this one. That is the diameter. If I find this one and I divide it by 2, I can know the radius because AC is diameter, or AC divided by 2 is the radius, right?
Yes.
So from where can I start?
C is also 21.
Yes, correct, bravo. C is also 21. So here you can write here P. So angle C equals angle B equals 21. Okay, and then what is the measure of angle D?
Angle D is a right angle, yes.
Because it's opposite, it's drawn in semicircle, right? So
Yes.
angle D equals 90 degrees. And what is the reason? It's drawn in a semicircle. Drawn in semicircle. So خلاص, I can find AC. How? How can I find AC now? سكتو يا مريم.
Yes. I was gonna say Sukato.
Huh?
Can't we use? Okay, no. I was gonna say we can use the cosine rule, but I don't think we can.
So I will use cosine rule. يعني الكوزين في السكتو الكوزين. Okay? ها؟
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
Adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine 21 equals to adjacent 14 over hypotenuse, which is
No.
AC. Then AC equals 14 over cosine 21. $14.996.
14.96.
Yes. So the area will be by times the R, which is this number, divided by 2. Squared. So the area will be 176.62, so which is 176.6 square centimeter. طبعا دي approximated answer.
Yes.
برافو. بس يا احمد.
بس احنا عملنا ليه ديفايد 2؟
نعم.
ليه عملنا ديفايد 2؟
اللي هو ايه اللي عملنا ديفايد 2؟
اسمه الريديوس، عملناه ديفايد 2 على اساس احنا كنا مطلعينه على اساس دايمتر.
مش انا يا احمد هنا عندي الاي سي كله او السي اي.
ده كله
ده
دايمتر.
diameter ولا radius؟
diameter.
diameter. وانا لما اجي استخدم الفورمولا هتبقى ايه؟
باي ار سكوير.
يبقى محتاج الراديوس، عشان كده عملته زي 2.
اوكي.
اوكي يا شباب، طيب عايزين كده نجرب حظنا كده نحل. هطلب منكم بس تحلوا question 5. هنحل question 5 الون، هناخد كده زي 5 6 minutes كده نحل الون وتبعت لي على الواتساب. اوكي خلاص، we will go through all of them, no problem.
Okay.
يلا كده ريد يا مريم بسرعة.
Each diagram shows 6 discs. Each disc has a color and a number. One disc is picked at random. Write down the probability that the disc has the number 4.
يعني each disk this disk has 4 number 4 ولونه its color red. This disk its color is yellow and its number is 6 and so on. So for example, how many threes I have as example? 2 threes, yes. How many 4? 3. How many 6? Only 1. How many yellow? 2 and so on.
Two.
So now we need
3 over
a disk
6.
has number 4.
There's 3, so 3 over 6.
Number 4, so ignore the color. He doesn't mention any colors. So it is 3 out of 6, half. Okay, double I have. يلا يا مريم. The disk is red and has number 3.
So we're going to add them. So 1 over 6 and
لا
no?
عايزين ان هو يكون الديسك ده يكون red وعنده نمبر 3. فين الريد ونمبر 3؟ مفيش.
Okay. And okay, I get it. I thought it was like red or number 3.
طيب ها triple I.
The disc is blue and has the number 4.
Yes, blue and has number 4.
Only once, so 1 over 6.
1 over 6. Okay, question B. Read 2 of 6 discs are picked randomly without replacement. Find the probability that both discs have the number 3. Probability of 3 and 3. Without replacement means
2 over
few-
6 and 1 over 5.
yes, 3 over 6 times 1 over 5, which is 2 out of 30 or 1 out of 15. But why here you didn't say 2 out of 5? Why you
Because
said
because first of all, it's a replacement, so the number of total boards would decrease, and you already picked 1.
yes? So here 2. So I will decrease it by 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. Nice, bravo. So the next one,
Both discs have the same color. Well,
have the same color. It means like red, probability of blue, for example, yes, plus probability of red, and probability of yellow, right?
Yes.
If you look here, can it be red? The first one is red, and the second one is red.
No, because there's only one red.
It's only one red. So this one is rejected. I have one red only. فدي كده كأنها مش موجودة. يلا احسب لي بقى دول كده. لو هي blue
3 blue, so 3 over 6 and 2 over 5 and
برافو.
1 over 4.
لا هما 2 بس يا مريم، 2 بس. يلو ها.
But there's 3 blue.
ايوه بس هو عايز 2 بس.
Okay. Yellow 2 over 6 and 1 over 5.
2 over 6 times 1 over 5. So the answer is 4 over 15. Okay, complete. Huh? Question C.
2 of the 6 discs are picked at random with replacement.
With replacement. Okay.
Find the probability that both discs have the same color.
Yes, are the same color. See here, I can replace the disc one time. So the second one, it can be red this time. Yes?
Yes.
Because I can replace it. So I will do the same, but this
1
time
over
I will put the red.
So 1 over 6 multiplied by 1 over 6.
Yes.
And then 3 over 6 multiplied by 2 over 6. No, wait. Yeah, 3, yes, not 2, because you can replace it. And 2 over 6 multiplied by 2 over 6.
So what is the answer?
1 second. It's going to be 7 over 18.
Great. 7 over 18. Bravo. Thank you so much. يا شباب. Question 6. Mahmoud, can you speak now يا محمود؟ ها؟
Yes,
يلا يا محمود برافو يلا. Question 6. Read. ها؟
the diagram shows a field A, B, C, D on horizontal ground. BC equal 192 meter, CD equal 287.9 meter, BD equal 168 meter, and AD equal 205.8 meter. Calculate angle CBD and show that it rounds to 106.0 correct 1 decimal point.
CBD is CBD. CBD is this angle. So I can use the formula of which formula do you prefer here in this triangle? In this triangle, you know 3 sides. You know this side and this and that side. So which formula you can use? Cosine. So cosine CBD. It's equal to, you can do like this, and you take the two sides, which the angle is included between them, okay, squared. Over 2 times 192 times 168. How to get the cosine, ya Mahmoud? This is a cosine. How to get the angle? Yes, I will make the cosine -1 for the answer, for this one. Equals what, ya Mahmoud? It is 106.015. Correct to one decimal place will be 106.0 degrees. Correct to one decimal place. I wish you understand it, guys. Next question, Zena.
The bearing of D from B is 0.38. Find the bearing of C from B.
Yes, the bearing of D from B is 0.38. So let's go up. The bearing of here is the bearing of D from B.
Yes.
The bearing of D from B is 38 here. Then find the bearing of C from B. The bearing
We're
of
gonna go from B clockwise.
Yes. Is it like this?
No, this is
No.
anti-clockwise.
Yes, the opposite. Bravo, ya Zena. Zena, now you can you solve bearing now? It's better for you?
Yes, it's easier.
Okay, so it's like this.
And we're gonna do it as 360 minus 180 minus 38, or 100.
Yes.
Yeah, 180
yes,
minus
yes.
38.
Correct, yes. So this is the bearing. البيرنج يعني angle. Bearing means angle. So I know that this part is 106.
Yeah.
And I know this part is 38. So I will make as you said, it will be 360 minus
180 minus 38.
106.015 minus 38 equals 291.
مستر الإجابة هتبقى 292.
Yes, 292.
عشان في السؤال قال دوت الأنجل اللي طلعناه في أول بارت rounded to 106.0.
Yes, so 2.198, which is 292 degrees. كملي يا زينة, complete, ها.
A is due east of B. Calculate the bearing of D from A. We're gonna draw the north on A.
Yes, I need to draw the north first. The north is up, so that is the north. and he mentioned the bearing of D from A.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will go clockwise.
Mm-hmm.
This one, and we know that this angle is 90.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how to solve it?
We need to get the angle DAB.
The angle,
No, like the angle of the triangle, not the bearing.
this one,
First, yeah, so we can subtract it.
subtract it from 90. Yes,
Yeah.
so I know this angle. Then I subtract this angle from 360, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so this angle, for example, is theta. Okay, how can I find theta? I can use sine rule, yes?
Yeah.
So sine theta
Over 168.
over 168, the opposite, equals,
And equals
this angle is equals what?
90 minus 38.
Yes, which is 52. Yes, so
Yes.
sine 52, because
Over
this part
yes.
is 90. So sine 52
Over
over
200. 5.8.
5.8. Then cross multiply, so theta is sine -1 for this one. So theta equals
It will be 40.
43.8.
No, it will be 40. Not 43.
43 ولا 40?
I got it as a 40. I don't know.
Because I think yes, it's شباب كل الناس تحسب معانا كده يا شباب عشان يا شباب
40.036.
40 صح كده؟
ايوه.
I got 42.
Sine 52 shift sine inverse answer 40.036. ده الثيتا. Okay, so
Okay.
angle
Now we're gonna do it as
40.
360. Minus.
لا, subtract from 90 first to know this.
Yeah, 360 minus 90 minus 40.03.
Yes, so I will go down here. 360 minus 90 minus 40.036. So what is the angle?
310.036.
Yes. برافو يا زينة. $310 or 229.
طلعت معايا 229.96
Yes.
Isn't it like 90 minus 40 minus
Because here this is 90 and we subtract this part.
No, it's 310.
اكتبي 360 الأول، بعديها 90، بعديها 40.
Right, type like this in the calculator. 360 minus.
I did it like 360 minus a bracket 90 minus 40.2.
No, it will be no, it will be wrong.
No, but then I subtracted like 90 minus 40.036.
If you want to put here minus, if you want to start with minus,
Yeah, but we can do the 90 minus 40.036 alone and then subtract it from 360. And I did this, it's also 310.
one minute again, just to check. Okay. يعني هنا يا شباب I subtract 90 minus 40.036. What is the answer?
49.964.
Yes, 49.9. Right? So subtract this amount from 360.
Yeah, it's 310.036.
Yes. Like this. Is that what you mean? Yes?
Yes.
So it will be $310.036. Bravo يا زينة, you did a good job. Thank you so much يا زينة. شروق. Question BI.
calculate the area of triangle BCD.
Yes. So if you know the sides of the triangle BCD here, how to do it?
BCD
This one.
عايزين نجيب angle DCB.
No need, you have this angle is 105 or 106.
صح اوكي. يبقى half multiply AB sin theta, half multiply 192 multiply 168 multiply sin 106.
برافو. يبقى الاريا هي عبارة عن half times ال 192 times ال 168 times sine ال 106. اللي هي هتكون 1550.228 والانسر طبعا اكتبها لي. برافو يا زينة يا اند شروق، برافو زينة اند شروق. سيف دبل اي سيف. يس سيف.
أيوة. Clara buys the triangular part of the field. The cost is $35,750 per hectare. Calculate the amount she pays. Give her answer to correct the nearest $100. 1 hectare equals 10,000 meters square.
Yes. So that is the area. We know the area. That is the area. Yes.
Yes.
So we need to know the area first. This is in square meter. We need to find it in hectare. So
نعمل ratio.
yes. So 15503.228. I will divide it by 10,000, right?
Yes.
So what is the answer? Okay.
دلوقتي نعمل multiply by 35,750.
Then to get the cost, I will multiply this area by the cost. So 1.550323 times $35,750. Only like this. It will be 554.04. But here he says give your answer correct to the nearest 100. So to the nearest 100, what is the answer?
55400.
55400. Okay. Now question 7. Question 7 يا شباب. يلا احمد وائل. Factorize completely.
Question 7a. Factorize completely. 3a square b minus a square b square.
So what is the common factor?
هيبقى a و b.
You will take the smallest one. You have a squared and a squared. So it is a squared. And b squared and b, take the smallest one, which is b. Then you divide. Yani divide 3a squared b by a squared b. What is the answer?
3.
Actually, a squared with a squared, b with b. So you
هتبقى
mix it over with 3. And the next one?
b.
3 minus b. If you want to check, multiply, expand again. you get the same answer. So a squared b, open parentheses, 3 minus b. Okay, solve the inequality. Question B.
هناخد ال 2x لليمين وهناخد الماينس 9 للشمال،
Yes.
فهتبقى 12x plus 9 less than 5x minus 2.
So 12 plus 9 equals
12 plus 9 هيبقى 21
21.
5x minus 2x هيبقى 3x، فهتبقى 21 over 3، فالفاليو بتاع x هيطلع 7.
So 7 is x is greater than 7. X is greater than 7. Okay, شباب 1 minute, I will come back. Question C. ها. طيب كملي يا مريم. ها.
which is
ماشي يلا
simplified.
بسرعة يا أحمد. ها.
3x cube y power 5 bracket power 3 هيبقى
تمام.
3 power 3
اللي هي كام؟
27 و x power 3 power 3 و y 5 power 3.
حلو جدا. يبقى الانسر 27. اكس بار كام؟
9 5 power 15.
باي بار 15. تمام. مريم solve 3 over x over 5 2 minus x. Make cross multiply.
3 multiplied by 2 negative x and x multiplied by 5.
تمام. اوكي. يلا expand.
3 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by x, which is going to be 6 negative 3x. And then we're going to bring the 3x over there. It's going to be 3 plus 5, which is 8x. 6, and then 8x divided by 6, cross 6 from there. So we're going to have 8x over 6.
So 6
No,
over 8, which is 3 over 4. تمام. برافو. شروق. ها. expand. يلا شروق. ها. So x squared فين شروق يا جماعة؟ ها. x squared plus x minus 6 times 2x minus 3. Then expand again. It will be 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x squared minus 3x minus 12x plus 18. Now simplify more. It will be 2x cubed negative 3x squared plus 2x squared negative x squared negative 3x minus 12x negative 15x plus 18. And that is the answer. Safe.
Yes.
يلا safe. Next question 9a.
The equation of line L is 4x minus 8y plus 20 equals 0. Find the gradient of line L.
Okay, how to get the gradient? We need to put it in this form first. That is the gradient.
أحط y الناحية التانية.
يعني solve for y or make y the subject, right?
Yes.
Yes. So for يعني معنى صح 8y equals 4x plus 20. I put it here. Then I will divide by 8. Divide by 8. So y equals
y equals half x plus 20 over 8.
plus 5 over 2. So what is the gradient?
0.5.
The gradient is half or 0.5. Correct. Complete.
Find the coordinates of the point where line L cuts the y-axis.
Yes.
هخلي
Find the
x
coordinates of
equals
the point
0.
where the line L cuts the y-axis. If you want the
خلي
line
x equals 0.
to cut the y-axis, put x equal كام?
0.
Okay, when x equals to 0, then y equals
Equals 5 over 2.
half times 0 plus 5 over 2, right? Half times 0 is 0, then y equals what? 5 over 2, صح? X is 0, y is 5 over 2. Thank you so much. Ahmed Wael.
Part B, the coordinates of P are minus 3 and 10, and the coordinates of Q are 9 and minus 2. Calculate the length PQ.
Okay, so use the formula to find the length.
PQ هيساوي square root x1 minus x2 bracket square minus
x1 y1 x2 y2. يلا على طول 9
هيبقى 9 minus 3 minus 3 square plus minus 2 minus 10 square.
اللي هي تكون بي كيو تكون كام على طول بالكالكوليتر؟ تويلف روت 2 صح كده؟
ايوه اللي هي 16.97.
exactly. اللي هي تقريبا 17 يعني. شروق اصلا طلعت. Find the equation of the line parallel to BQ that passes through the point 6 and negative 1. Find the equation of the line parallel to BQ that passes through the point 6 and -1. So we need first of all to get the gradient of PQ, right? So the gradient will be -2 minus 10. So the gradient of PQ is -12 over 12 y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals -1. So the gradient of the line will be -1 also because they are parallel. لو هما parallel the same gradient صح؟ So m of L equals also -1. So the equation will be y equals -1x اللي هي -x plus c. طب how to find c؟ هنعمل substitute ب 6 و -1 هنا. يعني -1 is equal to -6 plus c. يعني c -1 plus 6. يعني c is 5. y equals -x plus ال5. طيب اللي بعده سيف.
Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of PQ.
Okay, the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So we need find to get what?
أول حاجة نجيب الجريدينت.
لا الميد بوينت الأول عشان نعرف البوينت يا سيف.
اه
لأن الجريدينت معروف هنطلعه دلوقتي، بس طلع الأول الإيه؟ الميد بوينت بتاعت البي كيو. البي كام والكيو كام؟ يبقى -3 plus 9 over 2. والبوينت الثانية ها 10 minus 2 over 2.
10 minus 2 over
يبقى البوينت
2.
3 و 4. حلو جدا. بعد كده نطلع الجريدينت زي ما انت قلت، هو perpendicular bisector.
هيطلعوا
طبعا ان هو perpendicular bisector يبقى الجريدينت هنعمل نيجاتيف فليب. النيجاتيف هتبقى بوزيتيف والفليب 1 over 1 ب 1 يعني 1. يبقى الجريدينت ب 1. يبقى الايكويشن y equals x plus c. طب how to get c يا سيف؟ how to find c؟
substitute 3 and 4.
هنعمل substitution بال 3 و 4. يبقى ال 4 equals 3 plus c. يعني السي بكام؟ 1. يعني الايكويشن y equals x plus 1. ده الايكويشن. برافو محمود. question 10. معلش يا شباب we almost done. question 10 يا محمود.
The diagram shows a sketch of the curve y equal x power 2 plus 3x minus 4.
Okay, so find the coordinates of A, B and C. So طبعا يا محمود انت عارف you know that ال A وال B هما السوليوشن بتاعت ال A بتاعت الايكويشن ديت. فاحنا لابد الاول نسولف الايكويشن دي يا محمود، هنعرف على طول السوليوشن. خلاص؟ يعني هنعمل كده يا محمود اهو، هنعمل فاكتورايزيشن x و x. ممكن تعمل دي بالكالكوليتر اللي هي مود 53 فهيطلع لك بوزيتيف 1 ونيجاتيف 4، فغير الاشاره هتبقى بوزيتيف 4 والنيجاتيف 1. يبقى either الاكس equals نيجاتيف 4 اللي هي طالعه لك، كان طالعه لك في الكالكوليتر اصلا، او اكس equals 1. فالاي ديت الاي هي نيجاتيف 4 و0. والبي هي 1 و0. اهم دول A والبي. طب هاو تو جيت السي يا محمود؟ ها، السي لما x equal 0 صح؟ اللي هو الواي انترسبت. اقول له x equals to 0، يبقى الواي equals 0 squared plus 3 times 0 minus 4. يعني يا شباب لو انت عندك البوينت دي وعايز تحسبها، بتخلي لو هي على الواي اكسس بوت الاكس ايكوال 0، لو على الاكس اكسس بوت واي هي اللي ايكوال 0، فتبقى نيجاتيف 4. يبقى البوينت سي دي 0 ونيجاتيف 4. تعال بقى نكتبهم 3 بوينتس. ادي الاي نيجاتيف 4 و0، البي 1 و0، السي 0 ونيجاتيف 4. we done 4 marks. مريم ها،
differentiate x square plus 3x negative 4
اللي هي الديفرنشيت اللي هو دي اكس باي دي واي.
x over dy.
ها 2x ها
2x positive 3x.
الديفرنشيشن بتاع 3x
Oh, x is with 3x is just going to be the number without the x.
if it's x squared make it x only. if it's x remove the x. if it's number خلاص remove the number.
Okay.
complete ها.
Find the equation of the tangent to the curve at point 3, 14.
Okay, find the equation of the tangent. So I know the gradient. What is the gradient here? The gradient, find the equation of the tangent to the curve at the point 3, 14. Okay, so what is the tangent here? The gradient?
The gradient is 2.
2. So I will say when x is equal to 2, so dy by dx when x equals to 2 is 2 multiply 2 plus 3. 2 multiply 2, 4. 4 plus 3,
7.
7. So that is the gradient I need. So y equals 7
X.
plus c. I need to get c. How to get c? Using this point. So I will replace x and y by 3 and 14. So x is 3, y is 14.
X is 3 and y is 14. 14
So 14 equals 7
multiplied
multiply 3 plus c. So
plus C.
c equals what?
7 multiplied by 3 is 21.
21 minus 14.
21 minus 14 is 7.
So C is negative 7.
Okay.
14 minus 21. 14 minus 21. C is negative 7. So the equation will be Y equals 7x
7
minus 2.
minus 2.
Okay?
Okay.
Zena?
On the diagram, sketch a graph of y equals sine x for 0 smaller than x or smaller than 360. Okay.
Yes. So we need to sketch this one. Do you remember the sketch of sine?
Yeah, sine, it was
Here like 1 and I put here negative 1.
sine 90, it was 1.
Yes. So, and sine 0 is 0.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Sine,
sine 90 is 1.
mm-hmm.
Sine 180,
Sine 0.
0. Sine 270,
It's negative 1.
negative 1. Sine 360,
It's 0.
0. So then you join them. Bravo.
Yeah.
And as you notice, part is positive and part is negative.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Second one?
solve the equation 5 sine x equals negative 4
Yes. So?
over 5 over 5.
Yes. So sine x is negative 4 over 5. Then sine inverse.
Negative 4 over 5. It's negative 53.13.
X equals what?
Negative 53.13.
So it is negative, right?
Yeah.
But he says from 0 to 360. So
We're gonna write a positive.
no. To know that the angle equivalent to this one, I will add 360 to it. Okay?
Oh, okay. But they want like 2 angles.
It
So
will be so
306.87.
plus 360
Hmm.
equals what? 306.87.
Yeah. Point 30.
Yes?
Yeah, point 87, not 37.
So that is the first one. 306.87.
Yes.
Here. I will write it here. But I still need another angle here. So as you know here, sine is positive in the first quadrant, right?
Mm-hmm.
And also in the second. So 1 minute. So I have another way, a better way. See here, if you go to the graph,
Okay.
306 is almost in a place here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here. Point 87. Okay. If you want to find the same area like this, it will be in a place here,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
So I will tell you what to do. So it's easy. So it will be 233, 233, 233, yes. So just I want to tell you easy way to do it. So the two angles are 306.9 and 233.1, and it's okay. So the other one is 233.1. طيب any questions here يا شباب؟ Okay, we're almost done. Question number 11. He says find the GF. So for GF, I will 180 minus yes, correct also Ahmed. And Ahmed said I can get this one by 180 minus negative 53.30. Yes, correct as well. Bravo Ahmed. Bravo Ahmed and bravo Marie. Okay, so احمد وائل يلا جي اف ها.
هتبقى 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 5 minus 3.
Yes, it will be 10 over 2 equals to 5, so the answer is 5. Okay, if G1, we will find, first of all, we find G1 first.
هتبقى 2 over 1 minus 3 تبقى 2 over minus 3
لا, minus 2.
minus 2.
Negative 1. So F negative 1. I will replace here negative 1. So 7 times
minus 11.
minus 11. Negative 11. Complete. C.
Find HFX, expanding and simplifying your answer.
Yes, I will find, first of all, find f of x. And then,
اللي هو يساوي
and then replace it here. So we need to find h 7 x minus 4. يعني 7 x minus 4 squared. It means 7x minus 4 times 7x minus 4. Then you expand. Normally, you will get 49x squared here minus 56x plus 16, because you have to multiply then simplify. Okay شباب ها. Zena, question D. Bravo, Ahmed. Question D. Zena.
Find fx over 3 plus gx. Give your answer as a single fraction in terms of x in its simplest form.
Okay, so I will write up f of x. Down, write 3. What is g of x?
2x over x minus 3.
Okay, then how to simplify it? What
Now
should
you're
be?
gonna make the same denominator.
Yes, I will multiply the two denominators and then make a cross multiply, right?
Yes.
So it will be like this. Then make cross multiply. To x multiply 3. Then you expand all of this. The answer will be, just to save the time, 3 times x minus 3. And the answer here is 7x squared minus 19x plus 12. And please, he says in simplest form. So don't expand this one. Don't expand this one. Safe? طيب احمد وائل.
مستر معاك.
part B.
يلا يا سيف، معلش يا احمد لحظه. سيف يلا يا بسرعه يا سيف.
f x plus find the value of x when fx plus 2 equals minus 11.
Equals negative 11,
يطلع
right? Then you simplify it, you expand the bracket, yes? It will be x plus 2 equals to negative 1 as a simplifying, then x equals negative 3, okay?
Yeah.
Question F, find the value of p that satisfies h of b equals b minus 6. So as we know, h is x squared, right? So it will be b squared equals b minus 6. Then you make it as equation. Equals to 0, then this question is 3 marks, so you need to factorize. Equals to 1, equals to 0, then b and b, 3 and 2, positive and negative. So what is the value of b, Asif?
3 and minus 2.
3 and negative 2. Ahmed Wael.
Yes.
Question G.
G. Let gx equal x cubed minus 27x. Find the coordinates of the stationary points of gx, starting clearly with clear responding rather. The stationary point is a maximum or a minimum point.
So we need to, if you want to find the maximum point or stationary point or whatever, you need to get what?
No.
Dx by dy.
Yes, differentiation.
Dx by dy equals to 0, exactly. Then what is dx by dy here?
هيبقى 3x square minus 27
equals to 0. Then x squared equals to 9. Then x equals positive or negative 3. Positive or negative 3.
3.
We need, ya Ahmed, okay, to know or to determine which is a maximum or minimum. How can I do it?
We'll do second differentiation.
Yes, you need to make a second differentiation. يعني differentiate this one again, which is 6
6x
6x. Now, after you get this one, what should I do?
will use the value of x.
This
Plus and
one.
minus.
When x is 3 and when x is negative 3. طيب, when x is 3, 18. طيب,
هتبقى
when x is negative 3,
minus 18 هتبقى maximum.
negative 18. طيب, this one is what? Is greater than 0. لما تكون greater than 0 هتبقى minimum. Minimum point. And here negative 18 less than 0 هتبقى maximum. يعني we do the opposite. If it's we do the opposite. If it's greater than 0, minimum. And if it's less than 0, it's maximum. Okay, Ahmed?
Okay.
He says find the coordinate, but we get only x. How about y? Because he says find the coordinate.
يعني ناخد الفاليو بتاع الاكس ونحطه عشان نطلع الواي في
Yes.
الاوريجن.
So y equals when x is 3, y is 3 cubed minus 27 multiply 3 equals what?
Minus 54
Minus 54.
وهو
And-
minus 3 54.
Are you sure?
ايوه.
مش عارف انا شاكك فيك ليه. جربها بنفسي. ايوه تصدق صح؟ 54. يبقى هنا equals 54. فهتبقى البوينت بالنسبة لك 3 نيجاتيف 54 والبوينت الثانية نيجاتيف 3 كاما 54. مين فيهم اللي مينيمم؟ لما الاكس equals 3 كانت greater than 0 فتبقى مينيمم. فدي المينيمم
والماينس 3 ماكسيمم.
ودي الماكسيمم. Thank you so much for listening, participating.